It's winter again, and time to put things to bed for the cold season. In the past, I've shown what I do to prepare the car, but today I will show what I do for this piece of equipment here, to ensure that it lasts. So join me today as I winterize my pressure washer. I've owned this pressure washer for 5 years now, and use it at least 2 times a week during the driving season, but I do use it for more than just the cars. I'm taking advantage of our unusually mild late fall weather to wash the car before storing it for winter. I've become quite fond of this pressure washer and the job that it does, so I wish to maintain it to ensure that it will last a long time. These units do need special attention to prepare them for the winter. Fortunately, this preparation is both economical and easy to do. I have purchased this bottle of Pump Saver fluid at the same big box store as I bought the washer from. The cap incorporates a connector that attaches where the incoming hose connects and a ball valve. This fluid will help to lubricate the internal parts of the pump, as well as the seals and rubber gaskets. It can work on both piston-style pumps and diaphragm pumps. Here, I'm using a bucket to capture the used fluid to avoid it getting all over my driveway and ending up in our storm drain system. I will dispose of it when our township's waste disposal depot reopens in the spring. I first remove the incoming hose quick connector. Preparing the bottle requires me to remove the foil seal. I'm careful to remove all of this seal. I don't want this item getting into the pump mechanisms. With the cap back on, I can connect the bottle to the washer and then open up the ball valve. The first year I did this, the bottle completely collapsed, trapping some of the fluid and making the pump howl in distress. I've since learned to puncture the bottle on the top side with a knife to allow air into it and allow the pump to ingest the fluid more efficiently. As the bottle empties, the fluid flow reduces. Before washing anything next spring, I will run the washer to clean out any of the pink fluid still left behind in the hoses and the pump. As I've mentioned, I've been doing this for 5 years and have yet to have any problems with this washer. And this is where it will spend its winter, underneath the golf equipment. I really should be thinking about moving to Florida. Since this was the last job for the garage water, I will turn the system off and drain the lines. The garage shutoff valve is located in the basement ceiling. After turning off the valve here, I return to the garage to open the spigot to allow air back into the line. This is the line drain plug. It's clear how easily the water drains out of the line because the garage spigot is open. I do this procedure because it's quite common for the ambient temperature inside the garage during the winter to be as low as -5 degrees Fahrenheit. I simply repeat the process for the backyard hose connection. Thank you for joining me today behind the red door.